Yes, yes! Time for Package from China! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector! And today we're back with a new Mini NES review. And we have found another 600 plus 100 version. Yeah, I've reviewed a lot of these things and I want to check them all out. What do we get with this Mini NES clones? And this is what I call the 600 plus family. We got the Cool Baby, we got two versions of the 62001, we got a 60001 with AV out, and we got this one. So people, yeah, it's an, hey, comes with a lot of games, as we can see, built inside. And this one got all the games empty back, and shall we unbox it? Let's go! Let's see if anyone is naughty. And what did we get in the box? What did we get? What did we get, people? It comes with the European, yeah, just an USB micro charger. An AV out mono, why not stereo? Maybe because most of the games are mono, or it's just cheap ass. It comes with two controllers and turbo buttons, so quite heavy. And yeah, very long. The system itself, really nice. There you go, USB and AV out. Yeah, quite cheap. And the user manual. It'll be just super basic, nothing to see. Overall, let's plug it in and let's see what we're going to get. I'm very curious. And like always, they're using this song of Mighty Final Fights. There are some categories here, so we're going to just scroll through them. Hey, all the Mario's on it. Adventure Island, Chippendales, Tiny Toons, even the Sonic game. So I'm going to do a little scroll through. The only downside is you need to reset the console itself. There are some Mini NES clones that can use just pressing the B button on the controller, but nope, this one cannot do that. Yeah, just a basic hot blood, how do you call it, sport games, even a freaking FIFA. Oh, pressing the button. Shoot games, 24-1 console. Right, shit. Ball neck. Alright, next puzzle game. With the Mario. Oh, that's really nice. And like always, the sixth and the last category is the biggest of them all. Yeah, a lot of crappy games. I think there are a lot of double games. Is Spider-Man only once? No, I don't think there are a lot of double games, but there are just homebrew games and that kind of stuff, so... No. So, let's do some gameplay. And this is the game you find sometimes on the handheld. There is no decal. Afraid of copyright or something. Ooh. He's green. I think he's sick himself. Here, Mario, take a pill yourself. You took too many of the green pills. Mario 3. The hack version. The funny thing is, there is a lot of difference between all the Mini NES and the video signal output, because this one is really horrible. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but if I check the 620 Mini NES version, that one has a way better signal output. This one is really crap. So let's try out Mario Bros. 1. I am very curious if this one works. Wow, it runs good. Hey, that is the first one in 5 Mini NES's. Yeah. I must say the video signal output is really horrible with this one. So yeah people, I can play a lot of games, but I know enough. So let's go to the final conclusion. For the final conclusion of the system, it is very simple. It's just a little weird version if you're asking me. Mostly we have the 501, the 601, and of course the 30 in one, the original one and the copy of the original one. But this one is pretty weird. 608 games, it's got a categorized menu, but in overall, the games itself is pretty nice. That is for sure. The controllers are pretty solid, playing just great with turbo buttons. So in that case, nothing to complain. But this one, just like the 601, not the cool baby, but the one with the blue box, got AV out, but the signal output was way better. But here comes the funny part. This one has much better games, but the AV out is pretty horrible. So in other case, naughty Mini NES, I can tell you that. But so yeah, if you need the one, if you want to buy a 601, I think the cool baby is still the best one to buy. Not only HDMI, but the games and the HDMI, the signal output is the way better. So this one better games, and the other one has better AV out. So yeah people, that's what we're going to get. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, not being a naughty Mini NES. And yes people, stay strong, stay positive, and stay wicked! Thank you for watching. Bye bye! And subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, you're going to be naughty. I want to thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, and you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.